We are still here on the dashboard, and I want to show you how to import a demo. Demos are templates, pre-built websites that you can just import and then edit and make a few changes, and you have a website. If you're using a demo, you can have your website in minutes. Actually, just do make a some quick changes and all of that. There are templates, or should I say demos, that could even be in the niche or in the industry where you are. So if you're into fashion, for example, you might find a demo on the fashion industry that you could just import and just make a few changes. Uh, so let me quickly show you how to install a demo on this. Now, the thing I'm about to show you only is peculiar to this theme we are using, which is Ocean WP. Other themes have their own ways to do their own things, but this is for Ocean WP, okay? So we are going to go to theme panel to do that. But before we do that, I want us to go back to plugins, installed plugins, all the plugins that we've installed. Because there's a plugin I would like to remove. We are done with it. And that is this one, the child theme configurator. We've created our child theme. It is activated. Let's now deactivate it. Just click deactivate. And delete. Yep, I want to delete it. Now this is just for the child theme configurator. Other plugins, I still need them to be there. If we go back here, nothing is affected. This is what everybody sees. Don't worry, nobody will be seeing this bar. We call this the admin bar. Still loading. This black bar here, we are seeing this admin bar because we are logged in. Yeah, so the reason you are seeing this black bar is because we are installed in we are logged in the dashboard. So this black bar is called the admin bar. Once you log out, you won't see it anymore, and when you log back in, you will see it. You can quickly log out by clicking this guy here. So let's go back and install a demo. To install a demo, you have to go to the theme panel, look for theme panel. This is it. Click on it. We're actually going here. So we click on install demos. Scroll down and find it. Install demos. We are going to install a demo, just a demo to show you example of how you can install a demo. Okay, so these are some demos, different categories. There is business, there is blog, there is sport, one-page websites, e-commerce websites, and so on and so forth. Now let me go back to all, and you can use any one. If you're a personal trainer, this is one. But like I said, I actually recommend you knowing how to build your website. Okay, so demos are just a quick way to get things up, but you still need to know how to edit them, and I'm going to show you that. Let's import this one. I can click on live preview to see what it looks like. Let me close this guy. I don't need him anymore for now. Okay, this is a live preview of this demo, and I think I want to import this demo just to show you a few things, because it has a few things that I'd like to show you. Awesome. Okay, let me just close this up again. Go back here and just click on it now. It's called Yoga. Okay, there are a few plugins that are required: Ocean Extra, Elementor, WP Forms, and Ocean Sticky Header. This is an add-on of Ocean WP, so it's paid add-on when we are not going to go get it. But with the other three ones, we already have that. So I click on go to the next step. It says you want to install the things it's going to install. If you don't want some of these things, you leave it out. But you might not understand it now. But let me just quickly explain. This XML data contains things like posts and images and all that stuff. Customer image import customizer settings contain things like the how the menu will be displayed, the colors, the widgets, and the contact form, and so on. We are still going to remove all of this and build from scratch. I just want to show you how you can do quick installs with them, or quick website with a demo. So I'll install this demo. It will take a couple of minutes. Awesome. So close this guy. If I go back to my website and refresh, we see that we have a website or a demo that has been installed, and it has some pages it came with. Okay, Sky Media Concept is not into yoga. Sky Media Concept is a brand identity developer. But here is a quick demo installed. Now I may want to now repurpose this the purpose of this guy um, primarily is for yoga, right? To repurpose this demo, I would have to bring in my own text, bring in my own images, what else? Maybe icons, my own call to action, my own content, and all of that stuff, to my own testimonials, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is a quick way, a very, 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 very quick way to have a WordPress website installed, or rather a demo. So let me go back to the dashboard and see the changes that has happened. If I go to plugins, okay, sorry, where is it? Pages rather, not plugins. Pages. We see it added a few pages for us: the blog, the contact, the gallery, the privacy, the programs. All of these, we didn't create it. Okay, if we wanted to create a page, I'm still going to show you how to create and delete pages, because we are going to delete all these pages. Okay, we're going to delete them to show you how to start from scratch. But if you wanted a quick website, this is it. This is a quick website. To make any edits, you don't have to you're going to use Elementor to edit. So Elementor edits on the front. You don't have to go to the dashboard to edit. To show you a quick example, let me click on this edit with Elementor.